So now we have all of our images taken. That was good. But now we have to create links between these images to actually make them flow between them. We have to add transitions, we have to add hotspots, and to do that, we just click on the first image and let's add a hotspot to this first image. To add a hotspot, you're going to use the tool that is on the top right. So you press on it and then you get a hotspot. You can drag it around and then you can make it as big as you want or small. For this, the first thing that you want to prototype is going to be the menu on the left, the one that is going to give the drawer, to show the drawer. So once it's there, we position it, we click the button that says link to image. So we're going to link it to the image that has the drawer. There you go, and we're going to add a transition. The transition that we're going to add is, since we wanted to show from the left, pushing the content to the right, but since this is horizontal, we're gonna do it a slide down. So slide down, and that way it will slide down. And we're going to do done. Now we have our first transition. Let's add another one. So for this one, we're going to add an X button. This one is going to link to the last image. The last image, which is the, let's add a flip transition. That last image is the landing page of the show, the Udemy show. So let's add another hotspot, and this one is going to be for the settings. We put it over here, we link to image, and we link it to the settings image. Let's do a transition of fade. That one is pretty simple. So we're good. We have our 3 hotspots ready to go. Let's go to the next one. You can do it just by dragging. And we have our menu page, right? Or episode menu page. For this one, let's just add a big one here. And this one is just going to link back to our first image, to our main screen. And to do that, before it was a slide down, so let's put a slide up. That way it's going to do the opposite of how it came here. So let's go to the next one. The next one, we have our settings. And we're going to add almost the same as the first one. So we're going to add the menu drawer, and the transition is going to be slide down. There you go. We're going to add an exit button. Oops, made it a little bit too big. The exit button. This one is going to be to the landing page. Our transition was flip. We're going to add, now going to turn on the closed captions. So the closed captions, we're going to link it to the closed captions page. And the transition is going to be a fade. The same transition is going to be used to closing these settings. So let's add one here, and this one will take us back to the main image again. And the transition is going to be fade too. So we're ready on this one. We have all of our interactions. Let's go to the next one. This one is almost the same as the first image, but the only difference is that it has closed captions. So we're going to have to add all of those interactions again. Don't worry, it's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. Slide down. Let's add another one for the menu. So in case if you want to turn the closed captions off again. Let's add an exit button that will take us back to the Udemy show landing page. Let's do a flip. And we're good, we're done. It's pretty simple and quick, right? And we have the landing page. The landing page, we're going to add only one. This one is going to be for this video player, just so it takes us back to the full screen video player experience. So we're going to add a link. This is going to be linking back to our main page. And we said that it was flipped, so let's put a flip there. So we are pretty much ready. Are you ready? Are you excited? Let's test this. Since this one is horizontal, we're gonna have to do this instead of this because it's going to ask me to flip my, see how it looks? So there you go. We got it. Let's play with it. So want to exit. So we're on the landing page. We go to our main page. We want the menu from the left. We exit the menu. We want to change the settings. We change the settings. We have our settings options. Let's turn closed captions on. we have closed captions, and here we can put closed captions off, and we can exit this. There you go. There you go. We have all of our options here. Closed captions, yes, exiting, going back. So basically, you turn your drawings into a prototype on your phone that you can show other people, that has transitions, has links, tells a story, and it looks great, even when it's just drawings, you know? And that's the idea, that it doesn't have to be perfect because you're on the early stages of designing a feature or designing an app. So you don't have to worry about all the UI or UX issues. You're just trying to convey an idea. And this is an easy way to do it. So congratulations.